Hi, this is Lakefront Lainey Jones at our newest listing on 1881 Southcliff Drive. We're in the heart of Maryville and Maryville City Schools on a cul-de-sac street with sidewalks. We have an all-brick rancher here, 2,500 square feet. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, granite countertops, a great laundry room, built-ins in the closet, a privacy fenced yard, and it's a great place to call home. You want to walk to the park? Sandy Springs Park is just down the street, connecting to the Greenway system with 22 miles of walking or bike riding paradise. Call or text me to schedule your private showing.